Don't cancel me. Hey guys, it's Jasmine and I love exploring different cultures around the world. Today's recipe swap is very exciting because the theme is chicken. So I'm hitting up my friend Vishal from BuzzFeed India. He's awesome and apparently he is giving me one of his favorite foods today. Let's go call him. Hey Vishal, how's it going? Are you ready for this?
I'm so ready for this. I have been waiting for this all week.
Me too. Okay, what did you pick for me?
All right. So I'm really excited to tell you that I have picked this recipe which is really special to me. It's a very, very simple chicken curry. Curry is the best comfort food you'll ever have. And along with that, I'm also giving you jeera rice, which is like when you're like bored with the plain rice, you add some jeera to it, spice up your life a little bit.
And you said it's simple, but I know Indian food is not simple to make. So this will be a good lesson that I can take with me for the rest of my life. Do you want to know what I picked for you?
Yes, please.
It's so simple in comparison to your curry, but I picked chicken nuggets. Not just any chicken nuggets, McDonald's copycat recipe.
Chicken nuggets are so American, by the way.
Okay, yes, but they're really good.
I'm not fighting that.
All right, well, I will call you again when we are both done making our dishes. Good luck, to me mainly.
I am the one who needs the more of good luck, good wishes.
I believe in you, you got this.
I believe in you too. Best of luck.
Thank you. Okay, chat soon. All right, let's start cooking. We are going to start by roasting the whole chilies and the cashews. This part's not very exciting, I'm sorry. I'm gonna let these cool for a few minutes and then we are going to roughly process them.
It is a beautiful day to cook and I have already messed up because I forgot to defrost my chicken. Rock solid. I mean, why is life like that? So unfair. I'm quite a bit of a messy cook, so expect things to get messy. Okay, there's a huge block of frozen chicken. Yay. Salt, yes. Corn flour to this bowl. Yeah, there you go. It's a little messy, but that's how it is. I never promised a clean cooking here.
So I've let the roasted cashews and chilies chill for a little bit, and now we're just gonna throw them into the food processor and give it a coarse grind. Ugh. What the heck? Easy. Now that we've given it a coarse grind, we can add in our quartered tomatoes. Right now we're making a paste that we will be using later. I wonder how Vishal is doing.
Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the sauce, basically, or whatever you call it. So 1 cup of water, egg, beautiful eggs, mustard, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder goes in. Okay, just put it here. Cool. Hoping for these to look better after they're frozen. So let's hang in there and hope for the best. We have to put it in the fridge for an hour. That's what the recipe says. Okay. The plate is too big for the fridge. Life is a mess, you guys.
Okay, 1 hour and counting.
Great.
I got some onions here and it is time to fry them. I'm gonna add in a couple teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now we can add in our turmeric, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Now we're gonna add in our chicken. These are curry cut chicken pieces. Give it a good mix and then add in the paste we made earlier. Lovely sound. And now we add in our garam masala. Add these roasted fenugreek leaves. But first I'm just gonna sneak a little taste. Oh my God. Okay. That's so good.
Okay, I definitely don't think they are the way they are supposed to be, but I think we can work with this. I don't know what kind of gas stoves you have in America, but here we just have this lighter and we have the stove and just light it like this. Sometimes it doesn't even work. There's so much packaging on this. Ugh. Cool. A lot of oil. Americans eat a lot of oily food. Yes! There goes our first nugget. Ooh, okay, some of them are burning. I do think the pieces are a little too large, but whatever. I like them like this. The recipe says I have to keep them for 5 minutes and let them cool down. Hey Siri. Not that Siri, this Siri. Hey Siri. Not you. Shut up. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, the next step is rice. I'm reading the directions and I'm a little scared because we're gonna be using a non-stick pan. I use a rice cooker. Yeah, I'm a little nervous about this, but here it goes. We are going to add some salt. I don't even know how much salt to add, but you know what? Let's start with a little bit because we can always add some more. I have 1.5 cups of soaked rice that I'm adding in here. I have another pan. Ah! This will have to do. It's an anti-oil splatterer. Why can't I just use a rice cooker? I'm just gonna check on the rice. It's been about 7 minutes. Oh my God. Now we are gonna strain the excess water. I can't strain rice on camera. Do you know what happened to the last girl who did that? Every Asian on the internet and their moms roasted her. I can't do that. I'm having a quarter life crisis. This feels so wrong. Don't cancel me. Heat up a tablespoon of ghee. Now that this is heated up a little bit, we're gonna saute our cumin seeds until they're nice and fragrant. All right, it is now nice and fragrant. Let's go ahead and add in our cooked rice. And we are gonna add in our coriander.
So yeah. Chicken nuggets.
Honestly, I'm impressed with myself. Let's plate this baby and call Vishal. Hey Vishal, how'd it go?
Hey Jasmine, it's been quite a day.
You don't sound very enthused.
Well, I have more respect for people who make the chicken nuggets at McDonald's.
I'm pretty sure they get it frozen from a factory, but you know.
No, but you tell me, how was yours?
Okay, I was really scared to cook this because I never cook Indian food. I'm always very intimidated by how many spices go into a single dish. So, you know, when I went grocery shopping, I was buying like the whole store. There's like so many things that go into one dish. Okay, can I see your nuggets? That sounds weird.
No. Well.
Let's see.
Okay, covered it, and I'm putting in my white plate.
Dude, that looks so good.
Why don't you show me yours? You know, I'm so excited. Like this recipe that I sent you is so special. Ooh, oh my God. Oh.
Cheers. Oh my God. It's hard to describe the flavors because all parts of my tongue are engaged.
Good food is always entertainment for your mouth.
That is such a good description. Yes, that's exactly what this is.
The shape is very questionable, but the taste is very, very close to the McDonald's one. I'm really impressed with myself.
We should do this again soon.
Okay, I'm gonna start thinking about the next recipe to send you real quick.
Okay, me too. I will think about it and get back to you. Chat soon.
Bye.